In this video, I want to share with you 6 low competition Easter niches and some free prompts to go with those niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch-on-demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 6 low competition Easter niches and free prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch on Demand. So today is Thursday, March 20th, 6:05 a.m. in the morning. I already got one sale sitting at $4.89. Yesterday had pretty good day, did 24 sales, $81 in royalties, but that is going to put me at 838 sales for the month and $1,409 in royalties for March, and I'm almost already at my what I did last month, so that is good to see. I'm averaging about $74 a day. There's about 10 days left in the month, so I'm figuring maybe I'll do somewhere between 2,000 and 2,200. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch on Demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like family pics, gym pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so now that we got the intro out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. All right, so now that we got St. Patrick's Day out the way, the next big holiday that's coming up is Easter, and I want to share with you some niches here. So the first low competition Easter niche I have for you is this one right here, that is Expecting a Little Bunny. Let's see if I can make it a little bigger so you can actually see Expecting a Little Bunny. And when we pop this into Merch Dominator in the product search, in the features section, we're just going to search Merch by Amazon search. We're going to see that, at least according to Amazon right here, there's only 120. Let's see if it matches up with Productor. Yes, it does. So low in competition. And what this niche is about, this is basically cross-niching pregnancy announcement with Easter. And there's a couple, you don't have to do Expecting. I mean, you can if you want, but there's other ones as well. Like Expecting a Little Bunny right here. We can see this is sitting at 355. Really good niche there. But you can do like Expecting to Be a Big Brother. That's another way, another version that you can do. Somebody is going to be a big sister. That's another version. You can see these are like this one right here, 289. That's a really good BSR. So here I put an Easter egg in that basket. That's another one. So basically the niche is, pregnancy announcement cross niche with Easter. I really like this one right here, Somebody's Expecting, and I went ahead and made a prompt for this one, and here they are. So Somebody Expecting is basically a play on words. Instead of saying somebody is expecting, it's some bunny is expecting. So bunny is for Easter, same with eggs. And you can actually go ahead and download these prompts on my PayHip shop. So just click on the link in the description. You'll get 6 trending Easter prompts right here. It's for free. I'm also running a sale. So if you're looking for some, holiday prompts, like maybe some more Easter prompts, I got Easter prompts, Earth Day prompts, autism prompts. If you're looking for a deal, I got monthly prompts where you can get 100 prompts for April or May. And then I also have these bundles where you can get 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50. And I actually just uploaded this Word file onto my SKOOL community. And if you join my SKOOL membership, you actually get this for free. This is like a sign-up bonus. But let's get back to the niches. So the next niche, I'm just looking down here at my notes, is going to be Will Trade Sister for Candy. So let me pop that in. So like I said, the next one is going to be Will Trade Sister for Easter Candy. This is kind of a knockoff of the Halloween one where it says Will Trade Sister or Brother for Halloween Candy. So that's where this niche comes from. When we type or pop this niche into Merch Dominator, we're going to see that the competition is also low. So only 542 Merch by Amazon shirts. It matches up with Productor. And here we can see what some of the designs look like. So you can do sister or brother, or maybe little sister or little brother, or big sister, big brother. If you kind of want to maybe, niche down a little bit more to kind of differentiate yourself. But here we're going to see, like, look at this, 105, 177. Like, these are really good BSRs right here. And I went ahead and made the prompt. So this is what the prompt looks like right here. So Will Trade Sister, let me make it bigger. Will Trade Sister for Easter Candy. I think that turned out pretty nice right there. So that's going to be the second niche. The third niche is Our First Easter as Mr. and Mrs. Let me pop that in. So third low competition Easter niche is this one right here that says our first Easter as Mr. and Mrs. And this is basically taking like newlyweds, people that just got married, and cross niche it with Easter. And we pop this into Merch Dominator. We're going to see that the competition is actually really low for this one. So only 37 results. And doing something like this is what I'm talking about. So our first Easter as Mr. and Mrs., our first Easter as Mr. and Mrs. And there's a third one. Now these BSRs are not as good as the last two that I showed you, but still getting sales and extremely low in competition. I think this could be a good one right here. And I actually created a really good prompt. Look how nice this design turned out. Our first Easter as Mr. and Mrs. So that's another one that you can use. Fourth niche is going to be I pause my game to egg hunt. So like I said, this is the fourth niche right here. I pause my game to egg hunt. This is actually a knockoff of one of the all-time best designs, which is I pause my game to be here. It's a video game design. People started doing it with Halloween as well, and now it's just kind of branched out to all of the other holidays. When we type or pop this niche into Merch Dominator, we're going to see only 196 merch by Amazon results. 196 matches up with Productor, and here are what some of the designs look like. You can see they got reviews, they got BSRs. So this is a really good one. We're cross niching, Easter with video games. Usually anytime you can take a niche and cross niche it with video games, that's going to have a good chance for success on Merch on Demand. But here is what the design or the prompt looks like. This one also came out very nice. If you just do like an eye test, you can just see like all these turned out really nice. But yeah, so that is the fourth one, I believe. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the fifth low competition evergreen niche. And let me pause the video. So here is the fifth low competition Easter niche, and it is delivering the cutest little bunnies. This is basically cross niching Easter with labor and delivery nurses. So when we pop this niche or phrase into Merch Dominator, we're going to see competition is only at 100 results. Matches up with Productor, and doing designs like this right here, delivering the cutest little bunnies, labor and delivery. Here are some other ones also where you have like the little bunnies or babies in like bunny outfits. Very cute design, mainly for labor and delivery nurses. Here is the prompt. This one I also think turned out pretty nice, delivering the cutest bunnies, labor and delivery. So that's going to be the fifth one. And then the last one is going to be, and I'm just going to go ahead and type it in, it's going to be Easter Cruise 2025. So here we're cross niching Easter with cruising. So let's go ahead and hit enter and see what pops up here. So only 164 results. Let's see if that matches up with Productor, and it looks like it does. And so doing designs like this, Easter Cruise 2025, you can do Easter Cruise Crew, Easter Cruise Squad, you can do Oh Ship, it's an Easter Cruise Trip, you can do Family Easter Cruise, lots of different ways you can switch this up. But there's people that are going to be, cruising during Easter, they want to get a t-shirt to celebrate that. So you can see here what some of the designs look like, here are the BSRs, and this was actually my favorite prompt out of all of them, was this last one right here, the cruise one. Look how nice this turned out. Really like the letters, the coloring. You got the palm trees and the Easter eggs. So really good design here. You can go ahead and use that for your Merch on Demand business or any print on demand platform that you're selling on. But those are the 6 low competition Easter niches I have for you. Comment below. Let me know which one is your favorite and which one of your prompts is your favorite. And again, you can download these all for free, these prompts for free on my PayHip shop. Just click the link in the description. And if you're looking for some other prompts, you can shop around and you can get 50% off for today only on like 100 prompts for May. I even have wall art prompts like right here, all my categories, so like bundles, Tumblr prompts, wall art prompts, monthly prompts, holiday prompts, evergreen prompts, and then more free prompts. All right, so if you're interested, take a look. Now I want to share with you my SKOOL community. So if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically a paid Facebook group, but on steroids, and you get a whole bunch of value when you are part of my SKOOL community. So first thing that you're going to get is you're going to get daily niches with prompts. It's 4 niches a day, 2 evergreen, 2 trending. Here's an example. So like from 12 days ago, I made a post, and these were the 4 niches that I recommended. So here's how I have it set up. So you have the niche, and then you actually have a link to the niche so you can see that's profitable and selling, and then you get a prompt to the niche as well. And here you can see there's 4 of them. I put the actual designs. You can actually download these and just upload the design as is, or you can just take the actual prompt and make your own on Ideogram or any other AI software. So that's what you're going to be getting every day. I do not take any days off, so it doesn't matter if it's my birthday, the weekend, Christmas, or whatever. Every day you're going to be getting niches. And then above and beyond that, you're going to get access to my classroom, where there's just a whole bunch of value. So I teach you about my A to Z prompt creation, how to write listings. You get my 3 top design styles for evergreen niches, and this actually includes the PNG and the PSD file. I teach you how to protect your merch account, 30 proven animal phrases, 30 proven food phrases. I'm going to start doing these 100 prompts for each month with the Word file that shows you all the trending niches. And then you also get access to all my GPTs. So this is a really valuable one right here, the SEO Keyword Vault, where you can just upload your design and it will give you a title, brand, bullet 1, bullet 2, and loaded description full of SEO rich keywords. This is really good. I'm actually using this every day. You also get access to my t-shirt prompt GPT, so you can take a niche that I recommend, and if you don't want to do something exactly the same, you can pop it into here and it will give you 9 different variations. This GPT gets you keywords for your merch on demand ads. This is a really good one, the crossover merch machine. So you can just pop in like a holiday or any niche, and it will cross niche it and give you ideas, 100 ideas on how you can like cross niche it with other niches. Really cool right here. And then these ones I've been making lately are GPTs, so for specific niches. So for the faith niche, for the teacher niche, I'm going to be continue making these. A lot of the members seem to be liking these, so I'm going to continue doing that. And then, like I said, if you sign up, you get a couple bonuses. So you get 1,000 evergreen niches, and you also get 500 evergreen prompts. This is just for signing up. And then here, these are my holiday prompts. So the more you engage, like, comment, post, you get points, and then the more points you get, you level up and you get access to these prompts. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. It's only 80 cents a day or $24 a month. I also do Zoom calls, mastermind. So I'm actually doing one coming up on the 28th, and I plan on doing actually 2 of these a month. I think it's better if we connect more, not just with me, but also with other members in the community, because that's what SKOOL is all about. It's all about the community. So if you want to be part of a very positive community of like-minded individuals, people that are going to motivate you, because, you know, I've been on the Facebook groups, they can be kind of toxic. A lot of times you'll ask a question and people are just like, you know, responding kind of like rudely and being sarcastic and condescending. You know, it's not like that here. It's all about, you know, lifting you up, positivity, helping you to reach your merch on demand goals. So if that is something that you're interested, the link is in the description and in the pinned comment. If not, it is all good. I will continue making free YouTube content for you to enjoy. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to see more on how that GPT works for the SEO keywords,